Howdy folks, I'm Calum with TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I change the batteries in my keyring remote?
To replace the battery in your 4-button keyring remote, you'll need a new CR2032 cell battery, a Phillips screwdriver, and some way to control a small screw that can be a cup, a container, or a piece of tape. To get started, grab your screwdriver and remove the screw from the back of the remote. And make sure to put that screw in your safe spot so you don't lose it. Now we'll open up the remote's shell to expose the circuit board on the inside. We can lift this circuit board up, it's not held in place by anything, and the battery's on the other side. You should be able to wiggle it out of the battery holder, but if you're having a hard time getting a grip on it, you can help get it started by pushing from the back using a pen or your screwdriver. Just watch that you don't scratch the circuit board if you do. Once the old battery is out, we'll grab the new one. You'll want to be mindful because there is a positive and negative side to these cell batteries, so make sure that the big flat side is up top facing you. Once you've slid the battery into place, all that's left is to put everything back together. You'll notice that there's a pin on the back of the remote control case and a hole on the circuit board. By fitting these together with the battery facing you, you'll ensure that everything is going to line up correctly. Now we can close it back up, making sure not to push any buttons by accident. The very last step is to make sure that the remote is working correctly by arming and disarming the system. And that's it, you're done.
I hope that helps you get the batteries replaced in your keyring remote, and thanks for watching us at TELUS.